In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide folder list view in Outlook. If your folder list disappears or you want more room to read and compose messages, knowing how to toggle this pane will save time and reduce frustration. I'll cover the classic desktop Outlook as well as the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, so you can use the exact option that matches your screen. Let's start with the desktop app, often called Classic Outlook. Look at the top ribbon and open the View tab. In there, select Folder pane, then choose Normal to show the full list of folders down the left side. This brings back your entire folder tree, making it easy to switch mailboxes, jump to subfolders, or drag messages into the right place. If you prefer a cleaner workspace, choose Off to hide it completely. That's great when you want maximum space for reading or writing. Remember, this doesn't change your mail or folder structure, it only affects how the pane appears on your screen, and you can switch back to normal anytime from the same menu. Now for the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. Open the View menu, go to Folder pane, then Folder list, and select Show to display it or Hide to conceal it. Show restores your folders so you can navigate normally, while Hide gives you a minimalist view. This menu path is the most reliable way to set how the pane behaves and is easy to revisit whenever you need a change. There's also a quick shortcut in the new Outlook and the web app. Click the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, to instantly toggle the entire left navigation area, including your folder list. Use this when you need a fast switch without digging into settings. If you're using Outlook on the web and can't see a subfolder, expand the parent folders by clicking the small arrows next to them. If a folder seems buried or collapsed, use the search bar to find it by name. The search will surface the folder so you can jump straight to it without manually expanding every level. A quick reminder as you practice, these are view preferences that only affect what you see. If you move between Classic Outlook and the new Outlook or the web, the controls live in slightly different places, but the actions are the same: show the folder list when you need it, and hide it when you don't. With these options, you can keep your workspace tidy and your navigation just a click away. Thanks for watching.